Myntri Keterangan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Jingialang Meghalaya ubak Sanbor Sulai. Ula penting bagi sorkar kalau buat hendriu teli ki kerdap talasi hakalang gejala ban pensisa bagi Nongkhaïi Masi ki bawan kit iki Masi ni ki weipat gejala bagi don ni permit. Bat kini ki Masi ki long ki bakot bakya, bat ki long ki babet ban bam, bat ban kemdut. Ubak Sanbor Sulai uloong bahaka kendai terik ujemang arajar arpuar ulalum ke Jingialang haka balaidon lang ki hek keterangan Animal Husbandry but Veterinary kinong ilam ka Kasi Jantia Butchers Welfare Association but ka Butchers Association of Meghalaya. Banetai sani ke Jingeh jong kinong oddo ni Nongkhaïi Masi haka jela. Mentri Sorkar uloong bagi Nongkhaïi Masi but kinong oddo kila pensngau bagi syadawa pisah hak kinong ap kerdop. Ndrei kimdon pat ka sakhi kababiang ban pensisa. Baru uloong bagi dewan ujor kenang bakatrat pulit kan lek kebadan kam ban pen shitom ya kibriau kibakrong pisabian. Halor kini kejing keno Nongkhaïi Masi kiba Shem Jingeh kiloong bagi Shem Jingeh bah banwan kit iki Masi na Asam. Baru ubak Sanbor Sulai uloong buladep banto syau menteri rang ba kejela Asam. Himanta Beswa Sarma ban pentikna bagi Nongkhaïi Masi kejela kim de bancak pentut iki bor pulit habaki kit Masi rengkat bat kikot kisla kibabiang. Bat ula batha Nongkhaïi Masi bagi dewan pentip syakatnat haba kisyak pentut. Ubak Sanbor Sulai uliya thoru bagi sorkar keladap ai sispa anyo pulai teli ki transit pass syakisan pulai ngot ki beriau ni ki kenhuan jong Nongkhaïi Masi ki batmu ban kit Masi naga jela Asam. Hendra heru menta ketenat sorkar keempat juyok jing ujor ni Nongkhaïi bagi syak pentut hagi pulet ke Asam.
To facilitate this, we have created the system of the transit permits to our legitimate local traders and at no cost. It's a free of cost. We have taken a conscious decision of issuing the transit passes in 3 working days or 3 to 4 maximum working days so that our traders are not put to any inconvenience. But however, it is very sad to know that some of the smugglers are emboldened to bring the cattle from outside. I don't know how they are managing through Assam. To whom they are paying money, we don't know. We have a right to stop and check their transit valid permits. It's going unhindered. We got the information complaint from our traders who are carrying the transit passes. They're showing that this is like paper of no use to us. The smugglers are bringing the cattle from outside, taking to all the way to Bangladesh, smuggling. So then we have no option but to establish our own animal husbandry check gates just to check if you are bringing the cattle into the state, do you have the valid transit permit or not? Because this permit has to be supported by 2 more documents. One is the health of the animals. If a smuggler, he is not bothered about the health of the cattle which is bringing out, because they are not reporting to our doctors. The veterinary doctor, 13 doctors are detailed to examine the health of the cattle entering our state. And if the smuggler, he never reports to the doctor. If that cattle comes to our market unchecked and our people are taking that beef, it affects their public health. The department is duty bound to enforce the strict access control to ensure that every cattle entered our state is checked health-wise by a valid doctor, that our veterinary doctor certifies that it is healthy to travel and for consumption. To our utter surprise, you don't believe, the transit process issued to our legitimate, some of the traders, it was scanned copies. When we started checking, the scanned copies we detected. Why? I don't know how audacity, in fact. The department is liberal and very, very generous and prompt in issuing the transit passes at zero cost. Yet some uncouth elements resorting to scanning of our permits, which is a criminal offense. It's a criminal offense. Second complaint has come. Some of those who are at the check gates are collecting illegal money. It's an extortion. My message to all our local traders is again, sir, this is if any person on checking duty is demanding money from any of our traders, please inform me. We will initiate an FIR against him for extortion, and the police are in support of us.
Series of meeting held with official of Assam to ensure that cattle traders does not face any problem while transporting cattle through Assam. The department is number 3. The department started issuing transit permits for transportation of cattle from outside state of Meghalaya. Dairy cooperative societies and others, TP transit pass has issued to all 53 applicants. 173 TP transit pass also renewed after expiry of validity. Therefore, allegation on not getting transit permit is denied, is totally false and baseless. Department has been granting TPs expeditiously to genuine local traders. The department has not received any complaint from traders regarding any hurdle faced in Assam while transporting cattle. If any problem being faced by the traders who possess transit permit issued by Meghalaya, traders are requested and they can approach for legal remedy or submit complaints to the department for intervention of all necessary documents required to be created that has been furnished by the department.